Well friends, today in this video we are going to discuss some important questions, and I do assure you that these questions are going to be important for the students who are going to appear in PGT and TGG examinations. Students aspiring to appear in NET exam are also going to be benefited through these questions. Friends, these questions are from the point of view of so many examinations, so many competitive examinations, including NET, PGT, TGT, English, and PhD entrance. Friends, these questions must be kept in mind by the lovers of literature, and one must have a better understanding, must have a deep knowledge of these questions. These questions must be kept in mind by one and all if one is going to appear in such examinations I am talking about. So friends, let us get started our video and know the important questions and their right answers. Friends, the first question of our series is, who called Shakespeare an upstart crow? This is the most important question, and several times it is seen there in the question papers. Okay, so it was Robert Greene. Friends, be sure that Robert Greene, okay, was the scholar who called Shakespeare an upstart crow, and Robert Greene was one of the university wits. You must keep in mind. Okay. Second question, friends. Tennyson was appointed poet laureate in which year? Tennyson was appointed poet laureate in which year? So be sure that he was appointed poet laureate in 1850. Okay. 1850 is the right answer. So you must note it. Okay. Third question is, what is El Dorado? Friends, El Dorado is the place of abundance. ABUNTANC. Okay, place of abundance. Fourth one is, what is the synonym of bona fide? Friends, synonym of bona fides is genuine. 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 Note it. Okay. Next important question is, friends, what is Derby? Derby. Friends, very important. Derby is horse race. Horse race. Okay. Horse race. Derby is the name. Derby refers to horse race. Okay. Who said that Earth is the right place for love? Friends, Earth is the right place for love. This line is from Burchage, and Burchage is written by Robert Frost. Robert Frost. Okay, this line is of Robert Frost and is taken from Burchage. Okay, Burchage. You must note Burchage. Burchage by Robert Frost. Okay. Walt Whitman belongs to which century? Friends, this is important question, and answer is 19th. Walt Whitman belongs to 19th century. Next important one, what was the mother tongue of Kamala Das? Friends, Kamala Das is a famous writer, and her mother tongue was Malayalam. Okay, Malayalam. These are the selective questions, friends. You must keep in mind. Very important. Okay. What was the mother tongue of Kamala Das? Okay. Now, next question. Who wrote the famous work Essential of Shakespeare? Friends, Essential of Shakespeare is a famous work by Essential of Shakespeare by J.D. Wilson. J.D. Wilson, John Dover Wilson. Okay, J.D. Wilson. You must note J.D. Wilson. Next question, friends. Arnold was most influenced by whom? By which poet? You can say by whom? Friends, answer is Wordsworth. Wordsworth. Arnold was deeply influenced by William Wordsworth. Okay. Next question, friends. Who called Shelley a perfect singing god? Friends, Shelley was known as perfect singing god. And who calls Shelley? So, friends, Swinburne. Swinburne. Okay. It was Swinburne. Okay. Next, friends. Who calls Spenser poet's poet? Friends, Spenser is known as poet's poet, and who calls Spenser poet's poet? Lamb. Lamb. Okay. Lamb. Okay, Charles Lamb. Next question, friends. What does the term alma mater stands for? Friends, the term alma mater stands for previous institution. Okay, or you can say previous college, previous university where from one studied. Okay, alma mater. Kamala Das died in which year? Friends, Kamala Das died in 2009. Note it, very important. Several times it is asked. Okay. T.S. Eliot was born in which country? Friends, the United States. United States is the right answer. Okay. What is known as the scientific study of the development of language? What is known as the scientific study of the development of language? Friends, scientific study of the development of language is known as philology. Philology. Okay. Philology. Now, in which magazine did Lamb's essays first time appear? Friends, Lamb's essays for the first time appear in London magazine. Okay. London magazine. How did Lamb start his career? As a poet or an essayist? So friends, be sure that Lamb started his career as a poet. Lamb, who is known as the prince among English essayists, started his career as a poet. Okay. Next question, friends. Who wrote the famous novel The Old Man and the Sea? Old Man and the Sea is a famous novel by Ernest Hemingway. Ernest Hemingway. Okay. Who wrote the famous poem Night of the Scorpion? Night of the Scorpion by H.K. Okay, H.K. Who called Hamlet an artistic failure? Friends, very important question. T.S. Eliot. T.S. Eliot called Hamlet an artistic failure. Okay. Next question, friends. Who wrote The Necessity of Atheism? The Necessity of Atheism is a famous work by P.B. Shelley. P.B. Shelley. P.B. Shelley. Note down, friends. P.B. Shelley. Tennyson's In Memoriam contains how many paragraphs? Friends, Tennyson's In Memoriam contains 131 131 paragraphs. Okay. Now, Matthew Arnold studied at which university? Friends, Matthew Arnold studied at Oxford University. Okay, Oxford University. Next question, friends. Faulkner was awarded Nobel Prize in which year? Be sure that, friends, Faulkner was awarded Nobel Prize in 1949. 1949. Okay. Next question, friends. Who considered Wordsworth as the high priest of nature? Who considered Wordsworth as the high priest of nature? The answer is, friends, Matthew Arnold. Matthew Arnold. Okay. Now, next question. The Wasteland published in which year? The Wasteland published in which year? Very most important question, friends. Most important one. And the answer is 1922. It is repeated in various examinations. Okay. Now, The Essential of Shakespeare published in which year? The Essential of Shakespeare, already discussed, a famous work by J.W. Wilson, is published in 1932. Okay, 1932 is the right answer. Next question, friends. Who wrote the famous work Hyperion? Hyperion is a famous poem by John Keats. Friends, John Keats. John Keats. Okay. Next question, friends. Alastor is written by whom? Alastor is written by P.B. Shelley. Okay, friends. P.B. Shelley. Okay, P.B. Shelley. The Cenci is authored by whom? Friends, the Cenci is also by P.B. Shelley. P.B. Shelley. Okay. Next question, friends. What is the noun form of the verb experience? The noun form of experience will be experience. Experience. Okay. Experience itself. The Wasteland by Eliot was published by whom? The Wasteland by Eliot was published by Horace Livelight. Horace Liveright. Okay, friends, Horace Liveright. Next question, friends. With this key, Shakespeare unlocked his hat. Who said? Wordsworth. Wordsworth is the right answer, friends. 37th question, friends. Who authored Summer in Calcutta? Summer in Calcutta is a famous work by, friends, Kamala Das. Summer in Calcutta is authored by Kamala Das. Kamala Das, who is known as Madhavi Kutti and Kamala Suraiya too. Next question, friends. What does the word terrain means? Friends, terrain refers to torrential rain. Torrential rain. Okay, torrential rain. Okay, what is the plural of bureau? Friends, the plural of this term will be burax. Okay, now what is the feminine form of colt? Friends, feminine form of colt is filly. Okay, you must note filly. Next question, friends. Lingua franca means. Lingua franca means, friends, common language of all. Common language of all. Okay, common language of all. What will be the verb form of necessity? Verb form of necessity will become necessitate. Necessitate, friends. Necessitate. Okay. Next question. In India is written by whom? In India is written by Kamla Das. Kamla Das. Okay. When was Kamla Das born? Friends, the answer of this question is, friends, 1934. She took birth in 1934 and died in 2009. Okay. Our next question is, the Sound and Fury is written by whom? Sound and Fury is written by Faulkner. Faulkner, who received Nobel Prize in 1949. Okay. Gangu occurs in which novel of M.R. Anand? Gangu occurs in which novel of Mulkraj Anand? Answer is, friends, two words and a leap. Two words and a leap. Okay. Two words and a leap. Sorry. Okay, friends. Sorry, something missing here. Answer is, friends, two. Sorry. Answer is, friends, two words. Two leaves and a bird. Okay, two leaves and a bird. Okay, friends. Now, two leaves and a bird is the right one. Okay. Who said that Keats was a Greek? Shelley. Friends, Shelley. Shelley said that Keats was a Greek. Now, the autobiographical poem, The Prelude, is written by whom? This poem is written by Wordsworth. Okay. Now, what is the theme that dominates the poetry of Kamala Das? Friends, love is the theme that dominates the poetry of Kamala Das. Who is the author of the volume of poems Leaves of the Grass? Friends, the author is Walt Whitman. Okay, Walt Whitman. Okay, friends, the video is getting long, so we will have to stop it here at this soul of time, at this point. And so goodbye, see you in our next video.